Hello everyone, this Gravimetric mixer and the loader will ship to Mexico next week. Now it is testing. This is the auto loader. It can convey the material to the gravimetric blender automatically. It can use for 2 to 6 components. Our gravimetric blender can automatic weigh and mix multiple components. This model is 6 components. You can see it can mix, it can weigh 6 materials. This gravimetric blender can weigh and mix material automatically. Now let's see how it works. This is the load cell and the mixer base. Now let's see, when the hopper lack of material, the alarm will turn off.